Hey, what's up, guys? This is Kitty Cass, and today we're doing an unboxing of Blackcraft Cult. This is the February box. The theme is Love and Death. Is it late? Yes. Is it probably because of the post? Yes. Is it damaged because of the post? Yes. And for anyone wondering, I'm doing okay now. I've sorted myself out, so I will be uploading more often than what I have been. Without further ado, without slapping myself, without further ado, let's just jump right into this guy. He is $65. You get 2 t-shirts, 1 hoodie. Now, I'm not sure if it's a zip-up hoodie or a pullover hoodie because there was some, I guess, miscommunications on Instagram. It said it was zip-up, and I think on the email it said it was a hoodie, so we'll find out together. And you get stickers and a mystery item. And yeah, let's just crack this baby open. Let's see if you guys can get the first look. There we go. Okay, so the first thing on top, I'm guessing is the mystery item. Kind of looks like a bandana or, yeah, I think a bandana or like a little flag. It says Love and Sinners. Very cute. I love the red rose in it. We're going to look at the stickers last because, we're going to look at the stickers last because they usually tell us what is on the t-shirts, and I kind of don't want to spoil it. Okay, so this feels like a t-shirt. Also, I got everything in a medium. It is a medium men's size. I like to have a little bit of room in my t-shirts. Also, the women's sizes I find are more slim fit, and I just want a t-shirt, so I just go with the baggy ones, and so I like the men's ones better. Okay. Yeah, this is medium. Yeah. Okay. So, again, it's got the beautiful skulls with the rose in the background. It says Love and Sinners. Lovers and Sinners. Oh my goodness. Love and Sinners. Lovers and Sinners. Beautiful. Ooh, it's upside down. Death is not the end of love. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And now the sweater, which looks like it's a zippy. Ooh, I love zippies. So on the back, it has Blackcraft Cult Till Death. And it has a beautiful upside down coffin with a rose and the goddess symbol right there with the little skull hand. It is adorable. And ooh, at the front it even says Till Death. And again, the goddess symbol as well. I love their sweaters. They're super cozy. They're super duper soft inside. So I would say this box is a win. Now, excuse the box. Lately, what they've been doing is that the boxes are kind of collectible too as well if you wanted to. I know my pizza one, which I'll link somewhere over here, is a collector's box. And I think that was the only one that actually had a collector's box. I'll definitely leave somewhere up here the playlist of all my Blackcraft Cult boxes in case you're interested in watching them. I think this one is back in stock, so if you did want to get this one, you can. So the stickers. So we got the Lovers and the Sinners. We got Death is Not the End of Love. And we got what's on the zip up, which is Blackcraft Till Death. I would say this is a pretty good box. I feel like the t-shirt quality is definitely changing a little bit. I am wearing the Death card from my tarot card one. I'll leave it over here again if you want to watch it. The quality, it feels different. It feels like different material, almost like they're becoming, I don't know if you can see me or you can see the light through it, but they're becoming a little bit sheerer than what they used to be. Just to let you know in case you wanted this box, but the sweaters are always really good. So I don't know if they are changing the quality because of like COVID or something, but yeah, this I would say is more bang for your buck if you wanted to get more Blackcraft Cult items but you didn't want to pay, let's say, $65 for a zip up when you can pay $65 and get a zip up, 2 t-shirts, a mystery item, and some stickers. And I know it was a very short video, but I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that like button down below. Also, if you love my face, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I promise I will upload more. And remember, you guys are perfect, and I hope you guys have a great day and stay safe. Bye.